Good morning, everybody. Wanted to send you a video of how to get into iReady, the online piece. We have put in all the students that we know of so far into the system. I know kindergarten, it may be a few days before it uploads, but everybody else has been rolled over. But I wanted to go over how to get in, what to do with your students, things of that nature. That way you have something to go off of. Why we're doing this is we will have our first training on Friday, August 12th from 8 to noon, and hopefully by then we'll have all of our students in our classes. I will put a tentative class list in each of your grade levels. That way you know which ones are in. I don't think very many will be switching, so if you want to put those kids in now, that's fine. It's really quick and easy to switch them out, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But first and foremost, let's get started with, this is the login, and I will send that through an email of the website to go to, and you'll see this. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to forget username/password. Your username is your email. Plain and simple. Your username is your email. And what you're going to do is you're going to forget the password. So you forgot the password because no one's gotten a password yet, so we're going to switch that out. Your username, again, is your email address, and you'll put that twice. You'll put your email here, and your email here, and you'll submit it. Then you'll have to go to your inbox and then pick out a new password, whatever that may be. It's up to you, however you want that. After you've got that completed, you're going to put in your username and your new password to connect into iReady. I'm going to use Rebecca's because mine is at the administration level. I want you to see what a teacher's login looks like. So I'm going to put hers in real quick. All right, and when I push go, oh, if I do it right, try that. There we go. All right, so you're going to see this. This is going to be your main screen at the time. So if you want to push math, you'll go in, and then that'll show you all your units at your grade level and what you are going to be teaching. All right. At the time when you get in the first time, it'll ask you what exactly you're going to be teaching. On the top of the math, it'll say that the same grades as reading. You'll want to click that out because we don't have reading in iReady. So click off of what that check mark is, and then if you do that, click it off, you can pick just your math. So you can choose that. If you need help, let me know. Not very hard to do, but wanted to let you know that's another thing that you'll have to do. All right, so this is just the view, and if you looked at the demo last spring, you've seen this as well. So that's a quick tutorial as far as what you're going to look at and what you'll work on as a team at your grade level. But what I wanted you to see is, let me go back to Toolbox. Maybe. May have to go back to iReady. That's fine. Get back in. Want to thank Stacy and Rebecca and Denise to help out today. We kind of figured this out this morning, so appreciate their help. All right, so we're going to go back to the teacher toolbox that we just showed you when you log in. At the top is rosters. So I want you to click into rosters, and when you get there, you'll see your name, school, all that. But what you want to do is go over to actions over here. All right, you already have a classroom, and you already have yours in. But you don't have kids in classrooms yet. You have them in grade levels. They've been rolled over, but not classrooms. So go down, and you're going to edit student enrollments, okay? When you get there, this looks really daunting. It's really nice. It should take you about a minute. You can pick and go to grade, whatever that may be. So grade 1 would be where we're at there. Now, like a couple of these kids didn't move up, so we'll need to move them down to kindergarten, which is no big deal because we are moving those kids. We have already implemented kindergarten, so those kids can be taken out. So I've just pick out a couple. If it's here, 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 whatever those kids are in your class, you just click over here, and then you're going to save down here. Okay, you'll just save down here, and then they're in your class. Okay, if you made a mistake or we have kids that may be switching after enrollment, all you have to do is just click and move them over again. Okay, so again, just go down, click the grade level that you have this year, whatever that may be. All right, second, whatever, and you're going to pick the kids that you'll be teaching, and then you just move them over here, push save. Now the rest of the time, we're still working on it, but that way you can have your kids in and it can be ready. Like I said before, I'm going to put at least one, if not two copies in each grade level as far as who's in the tentative classes. Again, that could change and we can switch this again. If you have any questions when we are working on this, let me know. I can help you out. I know that Rebecca can probably help you out a little bit as well. So any questions you may have, please let me know, and we will help you out any way we can. With that, if there's any questions, get a hold of me via email or just give me a call. I'll be at the school. Thank you so much, and hopefully you can get this figured out, and it'll help you out making that transition to iReady. Have a great day. See ya.